Now we are switching to the next topic, that is the nets. What is nets? When two-dimensional shapes are going to be folded in such a way that there will be no overlap or no gap. There will be no gap also and no overlap also. That is called nets. Another way you can say that when a solid shapes are going to be open, solid box, you might be having some boxes at your home, some shoes box, some cartons or anything. You can just use that to understand this net chapter. Okay, so what is this net? Net is a two-dimensional shape which when we are going to fold it, there will be no gap, there will be no overlapping. Gap means bilkul exactly like this, okay, and overlap means like this. So neither like this or nor like this. Always it will be together. It will be like this, no gap. Okay, I will show you the example of nets. I have drawn one nets. You can also make it. Very easy it is. With the help of plain paper, you can draw it and then cut it. You will make a net. See, when we are going to fold it, if I am going to fold this is a plane figure. This is not a solid shape. It is a plane figure. When I am going to fold this plane figure in such a way, this one opposite faces, this is one face, and then now I was explaining you about the net. This is the net, okay, plane figure. Now I am going to fold it in such a way so that if you see this is the base, okay, base. I have folded it here, from here, then from this side and from this side. Are you able to guess it, what I have made? Are you able to guess it? Yes, you are right. It is a cube. And in cube you can see that I have made the opposite faces of the same color. Like this you can see. This is also green and this is also green. The top view is purple. This front view, back view is purple. Then the right view is blue and the left view is also the blue. So this is called net. When we are going to fold a plain paper in such a way, this is a simple paper, that's why it is not folding properly, but you will take the thick paper like a drawing sheet, thicker one, then you can make it very nicely, okay, and you can use it as the playing purpose also. Got it? Now what you have to do, you have to take a piece of paper, either you take, best part you can take the class 4 graph sheet. Graph sheet, you count the number of squares and you have to draw the net in such a way. First you draw one small square, count the number of square in your graph sheet, okay, take 3 square like this, then like this. So like I am drawing it here, 1, 2, 3 and 3, and this is the 4th one, okay. See what I am doing. Either you take a plain paper or you take a graph paper. Only you have to make sure that this all square is of the same size. Okay. Now you increase this side here and this side here. This is what I did. Now if you see this one, opposite will be of the same color. You have to draw this net. Clear? Now you have to draw this color, this one. This is the bottom, okay, and this is the top. Now the next is, this is the side corner and this is also the side. So when you are going to fold it, you will get it like this. Clear? Now you have to draw it, you have to cut it, and then you have to paste it into the geometry copy. Clear to you? Now we are switching to the next one, that is the cuboid. This is the net of cuboid. What you are going to find in this net? You will find that these 4 are rectangle. And if you will see it clearly, this one and this one is of same size, and this one and this one is of the same size. Opposite faces are equal. So this one I drawn same size, and this one I drawn same size, and this is the side one. Clear to you? Now, when we are going to fold it, we will get it like this. And then you will get a cuboid. Okay, you will get a cuboid. This is the cuboid. Okay. Now, how to draw the cuboid with the help of paper? That also I am going to explain you. There is other way also. It is book given so many ways. I am giving you one example only. So first I will take a small rectangle, thinner one. Then I will take little broad, and then again little thin. You have to be careful. This one and this one should be of same size. Okay, and the next one is this one and this one is of the same size. Okay, now we have to increase this one, make a square here or rectangle, anything you can make. Okay, now when you will fold it, you will get this picture. You are able to see this now. So this is the bottom, this is the top. Okay, this is the side view. No, this is the front. This is the back, and this is the side view. Clear to you now? Okay, fine. Color it by the different color, and then you have to cut it and paste it in your geometry copy. Clear? Now we are moving to the next, that is the cylinder. If you are going to take the cylinder, and when you will, how to draw the net of cylinder? Net of cylinder will be like this. I am having one example. See, it will be like this. When you will make a net of cylinder, it will be like this. How it will be? This is the net of cylinder. This is a plane shape. Now when you will fold it from here to here and from here to here, exactly, then you will get a cylinder. This is a rectangle. When you are going to fold, you will get a cylinder. So net of cylinder is a rectangle plus two circle. One is for the top and one is for the bottom. So net of cylinder is look like this. It will look like this. Okay. Now we are moving to the cone. And when we are moving to the cone is always making by the isosceles triangle. So net of cone will be look like this, and below that there will be a circle. Okay. So I will just show you with the example how to draw it. So first I am going to explain you how to draw the net of cube. This is the writing part. So sorry, drawing part. So you don't have to draw all 4 figures on the same page. 2 figures on one page. Okay. So first you have to draw the, as I explained, cube and cuboid. Now I hope cube and cuboid is clear. You have to write the heading cube, then draw the net of cube, then heading cuboid, then draw the net of cuboid. Then third heading is cylinder. Then you have to draw the cylinder. First you draw the cylinder. In cube also you have to draw the cube also. Not only the net of cube, you have to just next to the net of the cube, you have to draw the cube also. So this is the cylinder, okay? And just below this, next side of the cylinder, you have to draw one rectangle. Above one rectangle, you have to draw the circle. You know what thing you have to take care of this circle? That the circumference of the circle will be same as the length of the this rectangle. Okay, circumference of this rectangle will be same. Now, because when you are rotating it, the paper will be rotated on, this is called circumference. Class 4th you have read now. circumference. Okay, so when you are rotating the paper surrounding this, so length of the rectangle will be equal to the circumference of the this. Okay, so this will be clear to you. Now we are moving to the cone. First you draw the cone. You have to color also a bit. Again and again I am saying you have to color this solid shapes. So it will be look like this. This is a triangle. It will be little curved, isosceles triangle, and here it will be circle. Clear? Draw all the four. When you are going to draw the cube, what you have to do? One side you have to draw the net of cube, and just side of the net you have to draw the solid shape of the cube. Then cuboid, then cylinder, and then cone. The same way. Here you draw the cylinder and then net of the cylinder. First you draw the cone, then net of the cone. Similarly, first you draw the cube, then net of the cube. Draw the cuboid and net of the cuboid. Size of the net of cuboid, or length or breadth or whatever is there, will be same as you are drawing the cube. It's not like that you drawn so big cube and net will be very small. No, that is what you have to be careful. Okay. Now exercise 9A and 9B you have to do only in the book, no need to do in the copy. In the copy what you have to do, you have to draw all the nets. You have to write about the nets, what is the net as I explained you. Now the last topic is symmetry. Okay, what is symmetry? Symmetry means when it is same, ekdam barabar se. There are so many types of symmetry. First is called the line symmetry, which you have studied in class 4. Line symmetry, then mirror image, that is reflection symmetry, rotational symmetry, and then one more is there, that is called the